How to hide a header section in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you the easiest way to hide your header section into your Hostinger website builder, which is going to be here not that common to see, but you are going to have it in here. So we are going to head over our Hostinger website by heading over hostinger.com. Then you're going to head over the websites list, click on here, and then you're going basically to see all the websites that you have in this account. Now, once you are here, you're going to select the website that has the Hostinger official logo for the website builder, which is this, and we are going to click on edit website. When you click on edit website, we are going simply to have the website opened. Now we are going to have this website, and this is the part that we want to hide. Basically, we do not have a magical button to hide it, but we are going to do that um, progressively. So we are going to start by hiding the logo, the cart, and also the language selector. How we can do that? You're going to click on edit header, and then you are going to select the elements. We're going to show the logo. We are going to disable that or untick that. The shopping cart, also we are going to remove it. The show language switcher also is going to be gone. Now, as you can see, we have nearly set up the header, but most of the headers are going to have here the style of not a transparent background or a transparent header. So I'm going to let it as it is. Now, what I am going to do basically is to continue the work by hiding these elements. How we can do that? We're going to click on pages and navigations. Now we are going to see the name of the main navigation items and we're going to hide them. So for example, we have the shop. I'm going to hide it from the navigation. Sustainability, I'm going to hide it also. Click on the gear icon and click on the cross eye. This also is going to be gone. And the home is going to be also removed. I'm going to remove the services or hide it, not remove it completely, but hide it from the navigation. And finally, the test page. As you can see, our main navigation has been vanished and the header is disappearing. So if we want to hide or add the header again, we can go ahead and drag and drop or move the one of the elements to this specific area. And if we do not want, we can go ahead and let it as it is. Basically, this is how we can add the header. And if you want to take all the elements back, you can go ahead and add, for example, the first home page. I'm going to have it in here. So I'm going to add it in here. And then we're going to click on edit header, click on elements, add your logo, the shopping cart, and also the switch or the language switcher. Aside from that, you have saw that if everything is going to be easy to replace and also add again. So all we need to do is to make sure that we have here no need to the header. If you do not want it just like that, you can go ahead and drag and drop the elements, or uh, aside from hiding the elements that we've had did like this, you can go ahead and click on hide element or drag and drop the element from the main navigation to the hidden from navigation, scroll down, and you're going to have it just like that. Basically, it is going to be very easy to remove the header. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.